Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here. I'm finally here with the winners drawing for the challenge we did in August, and that was Challenge Your Art. We worked with the signed, sealed, and delivered kit and the add-on. There were no freebies because I took a month off, but you could work with your own things. So when you entered with your own things or other things from LineDotArrow, not being the signed, sealed, and delivered kit, it was like using a freebie, and that count as one entry. And when you use the kits, that each post counts as two entries. So your name will be in the name picker wheel, twice. And we run these challenges in all the Facebook groups, like we usually do. Two Sister Gem, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, Sweet Pea Papers, Savage Art, and of course LineDotArrow. Everybody else already did their winners drawings. I had to do mine yesterday, but I was so I had to clean my attic, and when I started filming the freebies, the first week freebie challenge for September, it was already so late and I still had to do this. So I figured, well, I'm just going to do it tomorrow. I ended up going to bed at 1:30 still. Maybe I should have filmed anyway because it was already late. But yeah, I'm doing it now. And I am going to spin. No, first I want to say something else. I have seen people reaching out to me that won in the drawings from the other Facebook groups. I have to switch off my phone. One moment, because it's making a noise. I didn't respond yet because I thought, well, I'm just going to wait what my results will be. So if the same person wins another kit in my my drawing, I might as well have everything in one in one message delivered to that person. So if I didn't respond, it's not because I didn't want to respond. It's because I thought, well, maybe wait until I did my winners drawing. So I'm going to spin 3 times. The first prize is going to be 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. The second prize is going to be 2 digitals from LineDotArrow. And the first prize is 1 digital from LineDotArrow. And I'm going to start with drawing for the first prize, so the 3 digitals. If your name pops up and if you are a winner, I'm going to take your name off the wheel completely, so everybody else has a chance of winning too. When you won something, when you are a winner, please contact me via my Etsy. And maybe you should start your message with "I'm a winner" in the August challenge giveaway, because then I recognize immediately what you are, why you are messaging me, because I receive a lot of messages with people that ask different questions. And I want to be able to send the prizes to the winners as soon as possible. So if you would do that, that would really help me. I'm going to spin, like I said, 3 times. This is going to be the first spin. Here we go. For the first prize, 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. And I also want to, while it's spinning, I want to thank everybody for joining in, even though I didn't do any freebies. And I also want to thank the design team members and the guest design team member, Dorothy Kilty. She also did design team projects. Dorothy, I still need to see your latest video. I'm so sorry, I have to catch up, but please do watch her channel too. She made amazing things with the kids. So thank you for that, Dorothy. And the first prize winner is going to be, and it's almost close to Dorothy, but it's April. April Broughton. She's an admin in the Facebook group. So April, congrats to you. You won 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. Well, you may just contact me via Messenger because we already are in touch. You are my admin, so you can do that. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. I do need to write this down, otherwise I don't know that you won. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, now I'm going to spin for the second prize. Second prize, 2 digitals from LineDotArrow. And just to be clear, a digital is actually one digital, so not a bundle. I'm just saying. Um, I'm curious who is going to be the second prize winner. And I can see the names. I'm not sure if you can see the names because it's very tiny. I think it is going to be, yay, Cheryl. She's an admin too. Congrats, Cheryl. Well, you can contact me via Messenger too. That's okay. I'm going to remove your name. And now I'm going to spin for the third prize. That is one digital from my Etsy. And I hope you still had a lot of fun, even though I didn't do any freebies. I really, sorry, it looked like I'm doing something with the spinning, which I'm not. But I really felt a little bit guilty not having freebies. And it's not the freebie making, but it's to come up with challenges and do the videos that sometimes, well, stress me out a little if I have too much going on in my life, like I did the previous weeks. The first prize, no, the third prize winner is Sandra. She explained to me how to pronounce her name. And it is Chanko. She explained to me it's the same sound like channel. Chanko. So I hope I do it right, Sandra. Congratulations with the first prize. Well, you can contact me via Messenger too. I think we're already connected. So yeah, all the winners just can drop a message to me via Messenger, and I will drop you all the links you need, all the kits you want. Well, not all the kits you want, but the kits you want. And yeah, just going to put this away. And yeah, I really want to thank everybody for still sticking around in the Facebook group. Yeah, I know I wasn't there a lot last month. I really do, but I really needed it, and I do feel better. I also have some clarification about my health issues that I had, well, for a few months now. It was getting better. Well, with the stomach issues, and it turns out I am lactose intolerant. So I was literally making myself ill, and now I already switched myself to a diet without lactose or a minimum of it, and I do feel a lot better already. But today it was confirmed by the doctors that I have that. So yeah, another problem solved, I think. And yeah, no, well, this is it. I'm not doing a crafting video. It's just a giveaway video for August. And I hope you all will join in the September challenges. And I would love to see all your makes. I also want to take the time to thank the design team members for their hard work. I still have to watch a few videos, still a little bit behind. Also want to thank all the groups that were hosting this challenge. That was Two Sister Jam, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, Savage Art, and what's the other one? Oh, I think that's my own group, LineDotArrow. I'm going to thank myself. And of course, I want to thank the guest design team member. I already did that sort of, but Dorothy Kilty, and of course Bea for catching all the names every day, and also for the admin team, because they also try to keep an eye on all the posts and try to be supportive all the time, give you directions where to find other freebies, not the new freebies, but the freebies that we already have in the group. Without all of you and without the members, the LineDotArrow Facebook group wouldn't be there. It's a fun thing that you want to start a Facebook group, but if you don't have members that participating and admins that you can trust, it's not going to work. So I'm very happy with everyone in it, and we are growing, and I'm so happy to see that it's not going like high speed, but I don't mind. We go steady, slow and steady. My mom always said, you better be slow and steady than fast and gone. So I'm sticking to that rule. This is it for today. Yeah, I hope you liked the video, although it's not a crafting video, but if you are a winner, I think you will like it. Maybe you want to leave a thumbs up, or maybe you want to leave me a comment. If you're not a subscriber, I know this is probably not the video that makes you want to subscribe to my channel, but I do have other things. This is just part of the challenges. At the end of each challenge, we do the winner's drawings because we want to, thank you all for the hard work. And it's also a little bit the element to win is going to keep people engaged too, because we do want to win, don't we? We do like that. Not in a bad way, but in a fun way. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.